Hi, everybody. This is David Skarika. So this is going to be a quick video here, and we're not going to really talk about any juniors today. Today, I want to talk about a bit about the macro markets. And, I know the market hasn't really started to fall yet, but I've said this, that it might not till really after Labor Day, and we're still a few weeks away from that. So just thought I would look at a bunch of things here. I'm feeling, but I am feeling that we are getting closer now. Obviously, geopolitically, I'm going to actually post another thing, even though I don't like to talk about politics and the whatnot. But I think because of what's happened in Afghanistan, I met a guy in the UK years ago, a guy named Ben Anderson, and he did documentaries for Vice on Afghanistan, and he had one in 2012, I think he did, called "This Is What Winning Looks Like," and it's basically predicted everything that just happened. That the army was not well trained. That it was like a total joke. It was like a scam. None of these guys were loyal to anything. It was like they're stealing money. It's just a disaster. So I will close because I think people should watch that, and you can see, Afghanistan has always been this lawless place where empires go to die. Alexander the Great, the British, the Soviet Union, and this goes on and on. So it's fascinating. It's one, like, I know, being 43, obviously I was born after Vietnam. I did get to see the fall of the Berlin Wall and obviously 9/11 and the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, but I've never seen I really believe this is the end of American empire, because who is going to basically go into a war with the United States now after this kind of ineptitude has been shown, right? And this is not just, Biden's, this goes back 20 years, So anyhow, let's go on to the charts. Let's log in here. So Michael Burry, so, we've been shorting Arkk, and we have the Buzz short as well. So interesting enough, Michael, I think we have pretty good company now in our Arkk short. This is the big short guy, Michael Burry himself. He's now got puts against 235,000 shares of Arkk, $1 million worth. I'm laughing because I don't have quite that many. I've got probably $4,000 or $5,000 worth, but it is nice to have this common company. And he is also puts against 1 million shares of Tesla. So so he's basically going against Catherine Wood. He's going against Tesla, which we are kind of too. I don't really like buying puts on Tesla because I think they're too expensive. But Arkk, the premiums are relatively half decent, and the Arkk does look like it's about to roll over here. We're getting close to this 115 support that we hit in July, and it looks like we've blown off. Arkk did not go back to those highs that it hit, at the beginning of the year. So it's kind of been lagging the market anyhow. And you can see it has kind of gone parabolic since the move in 2020. So this does kind of look like that could start to roll over here. And then Buzz, Buzz looks at the same way. It's kind of topping formation, was down today. Kind of, you can see these kind of reversals off 25. So 25, then 24, this correction again back in July. And again, notice that Buzz and Arkk are lagging. Like the S&P hit another new high today. The Dow hit another new high today. So we're seeing these kind of things lagging. Well, these other indices don't. Actually, the Nasdaq's even lagging. Its high was actually hit intraday like a week ago, and actually on the close on August the 5th. So, that's 11 days ago. So anyhow, I just thought I'd show you that. Michael Burry shorting Arkk, shorting a Tesla, and we're kind of in the same boat. And we're also short nvda. Nvidia kind of came back a bit, but again, kind of still off from its July high. Of course, NVIDIA's had an incredible run, but yeah, so basically, but Arkk and Buzz, I think, are still excellent plays. I own the January 100s in Arkk. I own the as a lottery ticket, I own the October 20s. And then I also own the October 24, or sorry, the January 24s. And actually, and on NVIDIA, I actually own the March 150s because I wanted to give myself a little more time on that. So I'm going to leave that at this. I hope you found this was interesting. We'll talk about some more juniors and gold in the coming days, but I hope you enjoyed this, and we will talk later.